I want to do a quick review of my Nutribullet, show you what you get and why I love it. Okay, this is the Nutribullet. I love this blender. I have had a few different kinds of blenders. The first thing about this is the suction cup bottoms are really great on any counter surface. So no matter what you're blending or how much, it may shake a little bit, but it's not gonna rattle and fall off your surface. I love that everything just locks into place and it has safety mechanisms. So if it's not locked in properly, it won't blend and it won't turn on. So if I just give it a plug in here, it comes with 2 cups. So these would be for like individual smoothies, one with a handle. They do have lines indicating, you know, how high you should fill it. And it comes with 1 blade like so, and that is going to screw onto each one of these, and you would put it right on, and you're going to lock it into place, and you know it's locked into place when you hear that. You can turn it on. You can see the functions. It's recommended if you're just doing a smoothie, use the extract function. It's designed to kind of like pulse it and to blend it at different speeds at different times in order to best extract the nutrients from what you are blending. Plus it just blends it up nice and smoothly. We've got your low, medium, high, and then also just like a pulse if you're wanting to crush ice or something like that. And your power button. So super easy to use as far as functions go. And it does come with 2 lids. So if you do make your smoothie, you can have it right in this container, put the lid on, and you are ready to go. The lids have a good seal on them so they don't leak, plus a little carrying handle, and they're just gonna screw right on top, just like the blade did. Okay, so that's the ones that we use the most with our Nutribullet. It does come with the larger, let me move out here. It does come with this larger bucket as well. So this is going to do up to 8 cups. You can see it says here 64 ounces. It also has the measurements over here in milliliters and liters. But this is what, if we're just making like family smoothies for breakfast, this is a great way to do it. The lid itself, it has a little pull tab. It's got directions, like it says spout, so that you know which way you're gonna put the lid on. It even tells you like to lift the lid off with this tab here, just to be able to take it off. And the fun thing about it that I really love, actually I use this a lot even when I'm, you know, baking muffins or something like that you can blend all together, egg bites, that sort of thing. You can unscrew this while it's going and while it's mixing, and you can continue adding ingredients in the top like that. So that makes it super handy as well. It also comes with this kind of, I honestly don't even know what you would call this, but the idea of it is to help push things down. So if you're blending a lot and things don't seem to be mixing or something seems to be stuck, you don't have to take it all apart and pull the lid off and turn everything off. You can just, through the very top here, you can kind of push it down, kind of mix it around, and really help get it blended through that way. So again, the Nutribullet, my kids love making smoothies with it. I use it again for baking smoothies, all kinds of things. So handy to have. Everything is dishwasher safe as well, you know, with the exception of the base itself, but everything else you can put in the dishwasher or hand wash. But overall, we love the Nutribullet. So hope this helped.